Hey y'all, today we will be doing an eyebrow tutorial, and if you want to see how to get your brows from this to this, then just keep watching. We're going right in with the spoolie brush and the eyebrow pencil and shading eyebrows in place. Next, we're going to take that same pencil and we're going to define the bottom half of our brows. This is the e.l.f. brow pencil in the shade deep brown, and we're going to take that same pencil and line the top of our brows to give it the shape that we want. Next, we're going to drag that bottom line down, and that's going to be the first part of our tail. Then we're going to do the same thing on the top, and that's going to give us the arch. You're going to take that top line to the bottom line and then extend the entire line to make the tail of your brows. And I did it again for you guys so you can see. Boom. Next, we're going in with the same pencil but in the shade neutral brown to shade in the brows. I use a pencil that's a little bit lighter than the pencil that I use to define the line so the brows don't look too harsh. Once you get to the beginning of the brows, you're going to proceed with doing hair-like strokes so the brows don't be too harsh. And take that spoolie again and move all the product around and give yourself a flawless brow. Then we're going to proceed with doing the same thing on the other brow. The bottom line, probably can see it better. The top line. Then you're going to start with the bottom tail, the arch, and connect them. Then we're going to go in with the neutral brown pencil and shade it in. Of course, do the hair-like strokes in the beginning of the brow. Take that spoolie and brush everything in place. And this is how your brows should look so far, unconcealed. Now we're going to take a flat brush, and I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Chestnut. And you're going to use a steady hand and slowly carve out the bottom line of those brows. You want to get as close to the line as you can without getting it on your brow hairs or the line. Then you're going to proceed with pulling the concealer down so later on it'll be easier to blend. Doing the same thing on the other brow. Have a slow and steady hand. Then proceed with pulling that concealer down. Now we're going in with that same brush and we're going to conceal the top of the brows. We're going to have the brush in a horizontal shape, which is from left to right, very flat, and you're going to drag it all the way across the brow. And then once you get to the tail, bring it down. Same thing on the other brow. Take your time on these brows. Flat and steady hand is what you need. Now I'm doing some little final touches on the bottom half of the brows. Maybe I want them a little thinner. Maybe I see a little bit of imperfections that I could fix, and that's just what I'm doing. Then you're going to proceed with pulling the concealer up just like you did at the bottom. Pulling the concealer up will make it easier for you to blend without smudging the brows. Now we're going to take a concealer brush and we're going to blend all that concealer into our skin. And what you see me doing there is just putting some of the concealer into the brow hair so they can look a little bit more natural. Just blend those brows and blend that concealer. And just make sure that you do not get too close to the brow and smudge it. This is the finished look. You have a nice flawless brow and it's ready for your makeup application. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you on my next video.